If you're a founder and you're sitting on valuable knowledge, or maybe you don't even know it yet, and you haven't figured out how to package and monetize it, this video could add potentially $10,000 to $50,000 per month to your business in next 90 days. And I'm about to show you how creators are making 10 to 100K per month on Whop using only Twitter X traffic, no pay ads, no massive audiences, just a system. And here's the most crazy part. Most of these creators have under 20,000 followers and are making 30K a month or even more. By the end of this video, you have the complete blueprint and you will know exactly what it takes and how you can do it yourself. So guys, this is the whole system that we'll cover in this video. So let's just get started. So how to make $10,000 plus on Whop using only Twitter. So yeah, in this video we'll cover in section 1 the creators, so the proof, so you see this is actually possible. Then we have second section where we will cover positioning and content. In our third section we have the funnel and the system that you are going to use to make the money, and last one is how to actually grow on X and how you can get much more impressions that you're already getting. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have section 1, the creators. Here's some proof that this actually works and you can pull it off. First we have this faceless creator. He has almost 100,000 followers. He blew up like crazy in the past few weeks. He used to have like 50K followers, so keep that in mind. But he's running this group AI Forerunners, which is about AI and systems and showcasing some algorithms and how to build your actual info product, right? So he has almost 250 members. He's selling this for $79 a month. So if we do quick math over here, as you can see, he's making almost $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue, which is absolutely crazy. So this next guy is also a faceless guy. He has less than 20,000 followers, and key difference here is that he's pushing you first to his Telegram group. As you can see, this guy has a Telegram group as well, but he's first pushing you directly to his product because he has much more followers, and this guy has less followers, so he has to do some nurturing. So that's why he's first pushing you in his Telegram group, which I think is a great thing to do. In the group you can search a little bit and you will find his link to his product, to his Whop. So this guy is selling his group for almost $250, which is one-time fee. And if we do here a quick math, as you can see, 1% of his 18,000 followers is 180 people, which I did take even less than that, so 0.5% of his audience, which means I'm pretty sure 0.1% of audience bought his program, which means he made almost $25,000 already with this program. Next we have this guy Max. He's past 20,000 followers. As you can see, here is the same principle. He's directing you to his Telegram, and he has the Whop program here linked also, but you first go in his Telegram group where you get nurtured even more, and then you find his link to his Whop. And as you can see, this guy is selling his paid product for almost $200, which is also one-time fee. And here I did also a quick math, so 1% of his 22,000 followers is 220 people, and if we take half of that again, this means he made almost $20,000 already. But I'm pretty sure he has 1% of people because I see constantly people buying his program, so I would say he made between $20,000 to $50,000 already with his program, which is also insane. Then we have this next guy, John. He also has his group because he's much bigger. He has almost 1 million followers. He doesn't need to have a group directly. He can directly promote his Whop because people will still buy it because he has much more authority because of his following, right? So if we look, his Whop program is $250 a month. This means I couldn't find how many members is in this group already, but I could find the overall people that has joined this group. So he had almost 10,000 members join his group, so it means he made estimate around $2.5 million already from his group, which is absolutely crazy. So next we have this guy Fed. which he recently passed 35,000 followers. As you can see, he doesn't mention his Whop anywhere. He has just a newsletter, which is also similar to Telegram group. I would always suggest you guys to go for Telegram or newsletter. It really depends on your goal, but one of those two options is the best if you ask me, where he then promotes his YouTube dojo or his Whop. It is more on an expensive side. It's selling for $2,000 and he has 130 members in it. So if we do quick math, he's making $250,000 per year with his Whop program, so it means $20,000 a month. Here's the complete growth system, how to build your Whop empire on X, right? First step is that you choose your niche. These are just a few niches. They are highly profitable, so we have AI, SaaS, automation, startup tools, crypto trading, marketing, info, and agency. If you pick any of these niches, you can make a lot of money in it. They are high monthly recurring revenue niches. So next we have profile setup. I would always recommend you have a professional photo of yourself, not a logo, even though all of these guys has a logo, but I think it's much harder to build one of these that people trust you, because people, as you can see, people buy from people and it's much easier to build your trust with them. Then for bio, easy, you have a formula that you promise a result for your ideal customer profile. So it means, for instance, marketing for agencies or something like that, basically. Then the next one we have pin tweet. Here's your best value threat or lead magnet offer, or your origin story showing credibility. And this is quick strategy for people to go from 0 to 1,000 followers. Then we will explore some other strategies how to grow past when you are past 10,000 followers. So you should post at least 5 times per day minimum, because consistency matters more than volume. Then here's a quick strategy. Have 70% of your content that is valuable, so you're teaching frameworks, share insights, give away good stuff that you are doing. Then 20% should be proof content, your results, what you have done, and case studies. And 10% of your posts should be engagement based, which means you are mostly attracting replies to boost your post, and you are giving questions to your audience so they can reply and boost your post. Then we have critical disclaimer. So don't sell yet if you're below 1,000 followers. Build authority first. Nobody buys from someone with 200 followers or less unless you have serious external credibility, which I'm pretty sure you don't have, because that's really like small percentage of people. So now we move on to the second part. So how you scale and monetize if you have 1,000 followers plus. First we have a content shift. So here we will deliver 60% value, so still teaching, still giving away good stuff, just a little bit less percent. Here we want to show more proof of us actually doing and getting the results. And last we have 15% call to action, which is still engagement, but we are giving away lead magnets, some we are DMing people, and we are doing some soft pitches. So if you have 1,000 followers plus, you need to focus here on content shift. Then you need to do some lead magnet creation, create your Telegram group or newsletter as you saw, and then you push people to your Whop offer. As you just saw, we have here a few things that we need to cover, and we'll cover them in this next section, the funnel or our system that we are going to follow so we can make money, right? First, as we just covered already, we have stage 1, so the X profile plus our content. Here we have professional photo, bio is clear result for clear ICP, and link goes directly to our Telegram group, and we have a pin tweet with our best value or lead magnet offer that we create, and I'll show you how. So then the stage 2 is lead magnet, so the capture. So what even makes a good lead magnet? Lead magnet should solve one specific problem, have immediately actionable results. It should take 10 to 30 minutes to consume. It should show what you are capable of. And delivery mechanism is usually via landing page or email, so if you have email sequence. Then we have immediate delivery via DMs. As we discussed already, we send them an invite to our Telegram community where they get their lead magnet. So now to the Telegram community. Why Telegram works actually? It's free to join, so it's low barrier for people. It's high engagement, so people check Telegram daily. You get their info, so the email, the phone number and everything, so you can follow up on them. Then we have social proof, so they see other in the community. They have direct access to you, so to your Telegram they can DM you, which builds a relationship. And we have a soft selling environment where it's not too pushy. They get more lead magnets, so more value provided to them. And if they decide to take a next step to join your Whop or maybe even buy your high ticket program, they can do so. So what to do in Telegram? Actually, like I said, you should post value, so tips, insight, quick wins, your lead magnets, share wins, so you build social proof. And we have soft pitch to Whop, so positioned as a next level to your content, basically the progression to your free content, so they pay for the system, as we will see right now over here. Stage 4, which is down the funnel, as you can see, here's the awareness stage. They find your profile, then they are getting converted a little bit, they are starting to get your lead magnets, they join your Telegram group, and at the stage 4 they are down your funnel at the bottom of it, and we have our Whop offer, so how we monetize our Telegram and our X. So you should position your Whop as the next level after your free content, as I already mentioned it, and it's for people who want deeper access, more accountability and better results. So we are actually moving people from just information to transformation, so they are starting to get some results with our offer, right? So what to sell on Whop? It's usually courses, communities, templates, tools, or hybrid, so it can be mix of those four. So guys, here I created a quick bonus for you. So what are some sales page elements? You should have clear headline, the result they will get, who is this for, your ideal customer, right? What they get, so module, access, bonuses, some social proof, so testimonials, results and screenshot. Then we have the price plus guarantee, some FUK, so frequently asked questions that address their objections that they might have, and you should include clear call to action, so join now button. And last but not least, we have section for how to actually grow on X. Most important metric that Twitter algorithm is tracking right now is profile clicks. So this is the biggest signal that will attract and grow your profile the most. So how do you get profile clicks? Like we discussed before, with our lead magnets, with our content that promotes replies and so on. But also, if your content is valuable, you will get naturally more profile clicks and more followers, which will signal to algorithm that your profile is valuable, and it will naturally push it to more people. Then we have dwell time. This is basically how long someone is staying on your post. So how do you increase that and make it long and increase your dwell time? Basically, you use images and videos, and you copy this content, so something that people can use. So like we discussed before, lead magnets. And if your content is valuable and you share, I don't know, templates or something like that, people will stay longer on your content, which will increase the dwell time. And again, this will signal to algorithm that it should be pushed to more people. Next metric that you should know about is first 30 minutes. So what this actually means, it means that X or algorithm determines if your tweet dies or goes viral. So how many engagement does your tweet get in the first 30 minutes? How many replies, how many likes, how good is your dwell time, and how many profile clicks do you get? So this will heavily increase or decrease your reach of your post. So next we have Dream 100 strategy. So what is Dream 100 strategy? Basically, these are 100 people in your niche that you should engage and build relationship with, because X or algorithm is tracking your circle, and you have like multiple circles. You can check my algorithm videos so you will understand this better. But basically, you should have list of 100 people that you should engage with daily, and you should send about 20 to 30 replies per day to them and grow and connect with them. So one of the biggest metric, and I think the most important one, is a big account engagement. So if their audience engage algo will push to more similar accounts. So basically what do you want to do? You want to provoke big accounts to react to your post, so they repost to their followers, and this is the only and almost guarantee way to grow on X. Then we have reply guy strategy, which I already mentioned over here a little bit at Dream 100, but this is how you done it right. Basically, most people spamming or commenting 100 times a day will get you nowhere. You should actually post 20 to 30 quality replies per day to other bigger accounts, or at least similar size to yours, which will help you grow, so people can discover you, right? And last but not least, we have author reputation. Every tweet basically builds or damages your reputation. So if you're going to spam 100 replies per day, this will just kill your account and you will have to start over again, which we already covered. This is just like a sum up of everything that I show you. If you do everything that I show you, you should grow and get monetized and make quite a lot of money from Whop. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go follow me on my Twitter and DM me word Telegram so you can join my Telegram group, where I share more exclusive tactics how to grow and monetize, and basically I break down everything in terms of Twitter. So this is it guys. Please leave a like if you're enjoying this video and learn something new, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.